Welcome back po to Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video, gawin natin ang energy check para po sa may mga sun, moon, at rising sign na Aquarius. So, kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. And readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Gamit natin si Enchanted Map, Oracle Cards. So, nakaharang si Mira. Laki niya, no? Anyway, so, Aquarius, energy check mo, your card is number 13, Solitude. Dude, labas. Connect more. Alam mo yung tipong, may iba sa inyo kasi, or marami kasi sa inyo pa, nahuhook up kayo sa mga, siguro, nagpagbabasa ng book, paglaro ng games, or ayan na, mga hobbies, pwedeng, ayan na may mga nagaganchilyo, or kung ano man yan. Wala mo masama doon, kasi, form of relaxation mo yun eh. Pero, sacrifice kasi yung gusto ng universe na ibigay sa'yo, which is the connection that you can gain from a lot of people. Andoon na pinapaalala sa'yo ng card, di ba? No man is an island. And andun yung point na it's time that you build new connection. And andun din na pinapakita ng card na to, na may mga bagay ka na, sabihin natin, or may mga tao na nawalan ka na ng connection. It's time that you reconnect with them. Kasi andoon na this is a moment na gusto ng universe is i-strengthen mo yung mga foundation ng friendship and mga relationships na meron ka with a lot of people. Because that will be a very important stepping stone in the near future. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. At kung bago po kayo, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So mula po ito sa Baguio, kasama po ang Matabang Mira. Have a great day. Bye!